Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Overall, interesting chart here, and I did this, and I'm trying to think as I stumble over my words. I think I did it a few days ago. That is where the green line there is coming from. But what I'm going to more so focus on is not really that green line, but in the near term, this purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is up above it, you want to see the price stay up above it, and that's exactly what's been playing out with it. So the price got above it right here. You can see came right down to it, hovered above it, got separation, again pulled back to it, bounced right there, couple periods in a row, bounced, and then the final 30 minutes today once again bounced from that area. So that purple line, is a level that you would want to see act as support, and so far so good. It is indeed acting as support, and that is certainly the preferable area that you would want to see act as support going forward. Now, in the event that level no longer holds as support, the next key level to watch would be right around the 11-cent mark. But as of right now, 11 cents is, I don't want to say worthless because it's not worthless, but it's kind of irrelevant. That's a better word, because like I said, so far so good. The price is holding up above the 50-period moving average. So ideally speaking, you want to see the price stay above that purple line. But if that doesn't quite hold up, then the next level of support would be down there at the 11-cent mark. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently residing, the key level seems to be right up here around 0.124, and this is give or take a little bit. So this is, definitely just kind of a little general price congestion point. I mean, you go back through the history of the chart, you can see rejected the price. Then you fast forward to today, several more times rejected the price. So while I'm not saying that 0.124 can't be broken, I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that is being told to us via the chart, the price is really going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that level, but then be able to stay up above it. So all in all, interesting chart. There's definitely been a line in the sand that's been drawn at 0.124. So let's see if the bulls can make a move and get the breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.